Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT FIT PYQs. This is question asked in CSAT paper 2024. This is question and statement based question. P, Q, R and S appeared in a test. Question: has P scored more marks than Q? Statement 1 and statement 2 are given. So we need to find out whether P scored more marks than Q or not. So let's check with statement 1 alone. The information given in statement 1 alone. The sum of marks scored by P and Q is equal to P and Q is P plus Q is equal to sum of marks scored by R plus S. So it is like this. So we don't know values of P, Q, R, S. We don't know whether P, Q equal hai kya hai. So let's take P as 1. P scored 1 mark. Q also scored 1 mark. R also scored 1 mark. And S also scored 1 mark. Right. So here it is P plus Q is equal to R plus S. So here P is equal to Q. So that means P scored equal marks than Q. Now let's take P as 1 and Q as 2. Okay, then R as 1 and S as 2. So here P is scoring less marks than Q. So P is 1 scoring less marks than Q. That is Q scored 2 marks. Then let's take P as 2 and Q as 1 is equal to 2 plus 1. R also scored reverse या ये ऐसा भी ले सकते हैं. ठीक है, so ये 1 plus 2 ही ले लो. ठीक है, so here P is scoring more marks than Q. So all possibilities are there. That is P can score equal marks, P can score less marks and P can score more marks than Q. So by using statement 1 alone, we cannot say has P scored more marks than Q or not. Right, now let's check with statement 2 alone. Right, statement 2 says sum of marks scored by P and S is more than marks scored by Q and R. ठीक है, so P plus S is greater than Q plus R. Right, so अब देखो sum of marks scored by P plus S greater than Q plus R. So let's take P has scored 1 mark and S has scored 3 marks. ठीक है, greater than Q has scored 1 mark and R has scored 1 mark. So P plus S combined, that is 4, is greater than 2. And here P and Q का relation देखो, P and Q, that is P and Q is equal. Right, then next case, let's take P as 3 marks and S as 2 marks greater than Q as 1 mark and R as 2 marks. So that is 5 greater than 3. So here P is greater than Q. See, P is 3 and Q is 1. So P is greater than Q. So here also we cannot say by P is equal to Q भी आ सकता है, P greater than Q भी आ सकता है and P less than Q भी आ सकता है if we take example. So by using statement 2 alone also we cannot answer. Right. So now let's check it with combination of statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1 plus statement 2. So let's take value जो दोनों conditions को satisfy करती है. Right, दोनों conditions को. So one such value is where P is equal to 2, Q is equal to 3, R is equal to 1 and S is equal to 4. So here P plus Q is equal to R plus P plus Q is equal to R plus S condition भी satisfy करती है and P plus S greater than Q plus R ये condition भी satisfy करती है. So ठीक है, देखो P plus Q, that is 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 4. Right, 2 plus 3. So here P is less than Q. Right, in this example. Right, now reverse values of P and Q. Right, so values of P and Q reverse किया तो ये बाद में देखते हैं. ठीक है, if we reverse, so that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 4. So here P is 3 greater than Q, which is 2. So P is greater. So here also we cannot say कि by P and Q का क्या relation है. Right, so P can be less or P can be more. Now let's check with this P plus S greater than Q plus R. ठीक है, so अब देखो P is 2 plus S is 4 greater than Q is 3 plus R is 1. So this is 6 greater than 4. So here, so P and Q का, so P is less than Q. ठीक है, now reverse the values. Right, reverse the values of P and S. ठीक है, P and S का reverse करते हैं. So P plus S greater than Q plus R. So P is 4 plus S is 2 greater than 3 plus 1. So here 6 greater than 4. अब P is equal to 4. 4 is greater than Q. ठीक है. So here by using both the statements also for these values, we cannot say whether P is greater or P is smaller, right? So question cannot be answered using both the statements together also. And another example would be, ठीक है, so P is equal to 7, ठीक है, Q is equal to 3, R is equal to 1 and S is equal to 9. बहुत एग्जाम्पल्स होंगे विच सेटिस्फाइज द कंडीशन, ठीक है, बट P एंड Q क्या ग्रेटर है क्या लेस है वो हम बता नहीं सकते, ठीक है, बिकॉज रिवर्सिंग दोनों कंडीशंस सेटिस्फाई कर सकते हैं नंबर्स इंटरचेंज होके, ठीक है. लेट्स चेक जैसे P plus Q is equal to R plus S. So P is 7 plus 3, Q is 3, R is 1 plus S is 9. So that is 10 is equal to 10. ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है, ठीक है. देन उल्टा करो, ठीक है, P and Q को. So इधर 3, इधर 7, इधर 1, इधर 9. So that is 10 is equal to 10. So here P is greater than Q is one case and P less than Q is one case, right? दोनों कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. These conditions are getting satisfied, right? Then same with P plus S greater than Q plus R. So P plus S, so P is 7 plus S is 9 greater than Q is 3 plus R is 1. So that is 16 greater than 4. ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. एंड उसका उल्टा करो, रिवर्स, दैट इज टेक 9 here, 9 plus 7 greater than Q is 3 plus 1. So this is again 16 greater than 4. And here P is greater than Q. इधर भी P is greater than Q. So जैसा कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होगा, right? So option D is the answer, right?